The benefits of SEM, search engine marketing. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a huge topic in the realm of digital marketing these days. The same thing applies to SEM, or search engine marketing. If you're looking to target customers effectively, then you should put time into learning both of these practices. If you're also interested in solid paid advertising approaches, then the same thing applies. There are so many things that fall under the digital marketing umbrella. It's crucial to learn about SEA or SEA, search engine advertising, because if you don't learn about it, you might end up swimming with the fishes. See, that was a pun joke related to it being SEA, C in it, and saying that you won't stay afloat but I'll leave. That's the last of the jokes, I promise. Your aim should be to make the customer reach a focal point day in, day out. The advantages of moving forward with search engine marketing techniques could spell the difference for your company from thousands of pounds to hundreds of thousands of pounds. Spreading the word. This form of digital marketing is a lot like SEO. In essence, it just helps you spread the word about your brand. If you want your audience to know that your brand exists in the first place, then it can help you considerably to zero in on this marketing approach right away. It can do a lot to rapidly enhance your brand's reputation. If you're used to blank stares anytime that you mention your product, your services, your brand, and you want to do away with those blank stares, in essence, you really need to consider this method of paid advertising. Speedy earnings. It's no secret to anyone that making money is a huge part of the business world. If you want your business to get on the fast track to making profits, then this kind of customer reach method might be just the ticket. In some cases, sales are instant for those who test it out. Navigating the universe of advertising on the internet isn't something that calls for a substantial and frustrating time commitment at all. Audience member accessibility. If you want to be able to target customers when they need it most, then this strategy is for you. Showing up in well-known search engines can help you access all different kinds of people at different times. It can help you access them when they need to discover your brands and services urgently. If you want to interact with people who are on the lookout for your products and your services, then this marketing strategy could be a step in the right direction. Hassle-free adjustments. Being stuck with things that aren't ideal isn't exactly fun. Thankfully, this marketing approach empowers people to make adjustments speedily and without any stress. It's a marketing pathway with the devices required in order to stay on top of all of your audience interactions. If you can get details that pertain to certain reactions, then those statistics can open you up to tackling any essential adjustments that need to be made without any setbacks. Outstanding value. This marketing is a lot like SEO and SEA in that it can open you up to outstanding value in the financial department. If you're all about significant conversion rates that don't call for substantial sums of cash being spent, then this is for you. SEM in general tends to be a budget-friendly option for those who are passionate about optimization and taking their business to the next level. If you want to expand without harming your finances, then this avenue of marketing you should investigate as soon as possible. Targeting customers can be a piece of cake for those who have already got an SEM in place. I'm Alex from SM Marketing, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, share. You're already here, you might as well. And for more information, visit theagency.io. Thanks for watching.
See ya.